J. Stevens 2010 coming at you with a quick unboxing, kind of a follow-up. I received this flashlight, alright, with a 511 tactical order. Check out my other videos. Alright, so my background is, you know, average Joe. Have flashlights, got into some of the more, you know, started out with the easy, cheap ones. Alright, then got into some of the torches and things, different modes and capabilities. You know, got into the Phoenix line because they were kind of cheap. And yeah, even though they're Chinese made, Phoenix models. But you know, as we start planking, get into more guns and things like that, started looking at the 511, came across that, and did an order and got a free flashlight. Basically, this light is about $55 on their website, 511tactical.com. But you know, there's nothing like free. So let's go ahead and take a look here. All right. Alright, standard user guide. We know about that. What's interesting is comes with a lanyard. In this particular light, what stands out to me is they're giving you the battery, which is neat. Supposedly this guy's got made of aerospace aluminum. Okay, it's got a retention clip on it. Runs off the 1AA. It's got the Cree LED light. That's actually a customer of my company's. They make those lights. That used to be an upgraded to get their LED light, but I guess now it's more and more common. On the business end of this light, what we see is some serrated edging, I guess to smash something, supposedly a window. Something like that. Alright. Let's take a look here. Has a good, I'm not a lanyard guy, so I may take this lanyard off. Seems to be, has a good feel to the unscrewing. It's supposed to have gold plated contacts. I see that there, not down on the inside. They tell you here, it's got markings on the batteries, obviously. We'll put it in like that. Screw her on. It looks like on 103 lumens, it will last for 50 minutes. On the low setting of 11 lumens, it'll last for 28 hours. Alright. And there is a strobe, 103 lumen strobe option. And that apparently will last for 2 hours, 15 minutes. Okay. The brightest setting will take you out to 99 meters. Lowest setting, 32 meters in distance. And this is a water-resistant construction. Typically, these are, you know, 3 feet, 1 yard, something like that, with submersion. Seems to be pretty good. Has a good weight on the aluminum. It has a good texture, so it feels really good in my hand. Pleased so far. Let's turn the bad boy on. Okay, so there's our high setting. If I do the half, how you do this is you hold it halfway. You don't click it. So what I would do would be halfway. I'll give it a double tap for low. Whoop. There's low, and I could click it to keep it there. Click to turn it off. I can do 3 taps, and that should engage strobe mode. These are halfway, not clicks. Here we go. And if I like that setting, I go ahead and fully depress it. Okay. Let's go back to low. The double setting. Click it. Lock her in. Alright. There you have it. Go back to high, half setting. Here we go. Alright folks. 511 Atac A1. Pick yourself up one if you need a good flashlight. Cheers. J. Stevens 2010, signing out.